to be making a donut ice cream sandwich.
What?
So, I know, right? So basically I'm gonna take, I love just a classic ice cream sundae with vanilla ice cream, hot fudge, and peanuts. So I'm gonna take a chocolate cake donut that's glazed, pop a scoop of that ice cream right on top, grab some hot fudge. You can get store-bought or homemade or whatever you have. Drizzle that over the top, pop your lid on it, and then you roll the sides of it in some peanuts.
And then you roll it in nuts.
Yep. And then you just pop that into the freezer. I have some back here that are done. And check these guys out. And you can just leave them in the wax paper and have them in the fridge for whenever you need a snack.
Oh my God, look at
yummy?
that.